This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, attended the graduation ceremony of the 39th batch of cadet officers at the Zayed II Military College over in Al Ain. The ceremony started as His Highness Sheikh Mohammed, the patron of the event, arrived at the college headquarters and was received by the Chief of Staff of the UAE Armed Forces, Hamad Mohammed Thani Al Rumaythi. Following the rendition of the UAE national anthem, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed inspected the cadets who stood to attention. The graduating cadets then saluted His Highness Sheikh Mohammed at a military parade before taking the oath of office. The ruler of Dubai presented the top 8 cadet officer graduates with appreciation awards, congratulating them and wishing them success in serving their country. The graduation ceremony was also attended by Dubai's Crown Prince, His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Abu Dhabi ruler's representative in the eastern region, His Highness Sheikh Tahnoon bin Mohammed Al Nahyan, the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Interior, His Highness Lieutenant General Sheikh Saif bin Zayed Al Nahyan, and the Minister of Culture, Youth and Community Development, His Highness Sheikh Nahyan bin Mubarak Al Nahyan, along with a number of other senior officials. Dubai will need 8,000 more hospital beds, over 7,000 more doctors and 8,500 nurses in the next decade, as announced by His Excellency Essa Al Maidor, the Director General of the Dubai Health Authority. According to reports, it was added that leaders in healthcare will build 3 new medical colleges and 5 nursing schools in a 10-year drive to meet Dubai's health needs. Announcing the Clinical Services Capacity Plan for 2025 at the Arab Health Conference on Wednesday, the DHA said that it was working on assessing the projections for 18 new medical specialities in the Emirate for the coming years. According to Essa Al Maidor, the Director General of the DHA, the plan is based on a detailed study undertaken by the authority, and the results specify demand for both healthcare services and physicians from 2015 until 2025. He added that the results also indicate that the introduction of mandatory health insurance in Dubai, as well as the Emirates' urbanisation, has created opportunities for investment to meet the growing demand for primary and specialised services. The results also show the need for a large number of healthcare facilities in the new population clusters, such as Jebel Ali, the Marina, Jumeirah Lakes Towers, and the new Al Maktoum Airport. And Dubai Healthcare City has added 34 countries to the licensing framework for its healthcare and complementary and alternative medicine professionals, bringing the number to 63 countries. According to news agency WAM, professionals from the new countries must have the requisite undergraduate and postgraduate education, training and certification, and must meet the requirements of examinations, supervised clinical practice and case submissions. Once a candidate passes the exam, he or she can apply for a license through CPQ, provided that all other eligibility requirements are met for that specific professional category. In tandem with the licensing framework, online examinations for healthcare professionals, including physicians and dentists, have been increased from 11 to 15. 200 government and private entities will join the Dubai municipality in going car-free on the 4th of February. The initiative will be the 6th car-free day to date under the title of Let's Walk, Stop Driving, which will see participating departments and companies walk, cycle or use any of the public transport modes to their workplaces. The Director General of the Dubai Municipality, His Excellency Hussein Nasser Luta, was quoted in local reports as saying that the number of participating entities has more than tripled compared to last year, and it will also coincide with the National Environment Day. A reduction of 70 to 90 tonnes of carbon emissions are expected on the day. Officials also revealed that vehicles are the main source of air pollutants, accounting for 15 to 20% of carbon dioxide emissions worldwide, adding that more than 2 million vehicles use Dubai roads every day. Abu Dhabi is the safest city in the Middle East and one of the 25 most secure places on the planet. That's according to a new report. The UAE capital was ranked 25th among 50 cities, ahead of Milan, Rome, Shanghai and Moscow in the latest Economist Intelligence Unit's Safe Cities Index for 2015, which looked at digital security, health security, infrastructure safety and personal safety. It also looked at each city's frequency of road accidents, policy measures and levels of spending, among others. Abu Dhabi was the only Middle Eastern city which made it onto the top half of the index, which scored strongly in digital security and infrastructure safety. Tokyo, with more than 13 million residents as of 2014, took the first spot, followed by Singapore, Osaka, Stockholm, Amsterdam, Sydney, Zurich, Toronto, Melbourne, and then New York. The best food and dining outlets have been announced as the winners of the 5th edition of the BBC Good Food Middle East Awards were named on Wednesday evening. During the awards ceremony, CPI Media Group, the organisers of the awards, honoured companies and brands across 35 different categories within fine dining, casual dining and home cooking. According to the organisers, the awards continue to provide the benchmark for the best in the country. The awards are based on the nominations and votes of consumers during the first 2 rounds, after which the panel of judges select the final winners based on the standards of quality, consistency and entertainment offered. Among the winners this year included Reem Al Bawadi, which was selected as the best Middle Eastern restaurant under the casual dining category. Brasserie Angélique of Jumeirah at Etihad Towers for Best European Restaurant under the Fine Dining category, while Benihana Restaurant in the Amwaj Rotana was voted in as the Best Asian Restaurant. According to Sudeshna Ghosh, the editor of BBC Good Food, in addition to the quality of food, entertainment is another emerging trend that most diners are looking for.
Just a big shout out for Nicola.
In terms of trends in the food industry, in the last couple of years, we're really seeing a lot of people seeking out, fuss-free, less elaborate dining experiences, where the focus is on quality, ingredients-led, chef-driven restaurants, and it's really exciting to see a lot of these coming up here of late. And that's again something that we're trying to acknowledge in one of our new categories this year, which is for Best Sustainable Restaurant, wherein we are trying to support and encourage restaurants to look closely at where their food and the ingredients are coming from, how they're running the business, just to kind of promote the cause of sustainable, healthy living. Other trends that we're seeing are also of experiential dining, which is a category we introduced last year, where again consumers are looking for something beyond just going out for a good meal. So they're looking for entertainment or some sort of value addition, and there's been some very interesting venues of that nature that have opened up recently.
And finally, looking to other news, the European Tour takes a swing in the Middle East yet again. As the oldest golf competition in the country, the Omega Dubai Desert Classic returns for its 26th year. Featuring a star-studded lineup, the Emirates Golf Club is currently home to some of the world's best golfers, and they teed off this morning for the coveted Arabian Coffee Pot for the prize purse of $2.5 million. This year, the tournament sees 5 of the world's top 20 ranked players descend onto the Majlis course this weekend, featuring world number 1 Rory McIlroy, world number 2 Henrik Stenson, and number 6 Sergio Garcia, to name just a few. To add more interest in the competition, the European Tour event is also featuring 10 of its past winners, as the Scotsman Stephen Gallagher takes to the course once again, with hopes of securing a hat-trick of wins this year. The tournament in Dubai begins weeks after a heated competition in Abu Dhabi with the HSBC Golf Championship, where the dominant Martin Kaymer was denied a win with an unexpected finish. The that saw the Frenchman Gary Stahl lift the trophy. Among the players that the crowd should be on the lookout for is world number 2 Henrik Stenson, who is known as the best player around without a major under his belt. Speaking ahead of the event, Stenson, who has also won the DP World Tour Championship this season, said he is hopeful to lift the trophy in Dubai once again.
Well, it was great because it was the first successful defense in my career, so I was very happy with that. I came off a great season in 2013 and I won here in Dubai, the 2013 version, and to be able to come back and defend it once again was great. I did make Dubai my home for such a long time, and I have a very strong support here and lots of friends, and it was a really nice week for me. It's been quite a journey over these 15 years that I've seen it. I came down here and played my first Desert Classic in 2001, and to see the development in the region and in golf has been quite remarkable. And there's a lot of golf courses. There's a lot of people who wants to come here and play these fine courses that they see on television, and it's an opportunity for everyone to try the game and have some fun with golf.